After the crash, low voltage functioned. Hazard lights on, doors unlocked, and could open on this side. No call equipped. One door cannot open on this side. Rescue and extrication rating, moderate. Airbags deployed, non-pretensioning safety belt. Front bumper beam and crash box didn't work well. Its structure bore huge pressure. A pillar broke. Seriously deformed roof intruded compartment and impacted B pillar. The B pillar was strong, but the weak C pillar collapsed, leaving great impact on the rear compartment. So its structure rating, poor. The roof and a pillar intruded the compartment, which cut the passenger's safety belt. The dummy's head was thus hit hard by the windshield. Poor. It wouldn't make it. The driver survived with only minor neck injury. Acceptable. In this test, its overall rating, moderate. 40 miles per hour, 40% frontal offset crash against a deformable barrier. Simulates a crash against other vehicles. This is the IIHS Moderate Overlap Frontal Crash Evaluation, a standard in NCAP assessments. The vehicle is set to the maximum load. Front, 1 dummy. Second row, 2 dummies. If there's a third row, 2 dummies. After the crash, low voltage function. Hazard lights on. Doors unlocked and opened. No call for the base model. Rescue and extrication rating, acceptable. All airbags activated. Non-pretensioning safety belts. The front airbags activated late, causing grave neck injuries. Head and neck protection, poor. Serious chest compression, moderate. Front restraint system rating, moderate. Rear left dummy suffered serious head injury. Poor. Chest protection, moderate. The right one had even more serious injuries. Poor. The safety belts work badly. Rear restraint system rating, moderate. Its structure was fine. Door rings were intact. No plastic hinge or deformation on the A-pillar. Slight deformation on the sill. The firewall is robust, but the brake pedal moved backward, so its structure rating, acceptable. The restraint system is bad. So in this test, its overall rating, poor. 50 miles per hour, 70% rear end crash by a 1 point per tons test vehicle. Simulates a secondary high-speed rear ending. The dummy layout and weight distribution remained unchanged. According to the U.S. Federal Regulations 301 and 305, major focuses are fuel and battery leakage, thermal runaway, and structural integrity. After the rear-end crash, its fuel tank was broken, leading to massive fuel leakage. So its fuel system integrity rating, poor. Its structure is robust. But the C-pillar and the door rings slightly deformed. Structure rating, acceptable. Due to the fuel leakage, its overall rating in this test, poor.